So gonna show you guys a very simple strategy, buying and selling. So this indicator is called scalp loss channel. It works on lower time frames. As you can see, 15 minutes downwards. Personally, I prefer the 15 minutes because it is a little bit less noisier and it is more precise. All right, this strategy is quite simple. It's called a scalp loss channel. Now it is very simple. It goes as easy as number one, follow the trend, right? And number two, only buy or sell when it touches the purple line, as you can see. Touched right here, you buy. Touched, touched. So as you can see, this is a very powerful strategy, especially if you add it as a confluence with something else. All right, so that is literally it. It is very simple. It works with almost every pair that I've tried out. Let me show you guys Euro USD. It's an example. As you can see, this is an uptrend, right? So we get a touch here, that's a buy. We get a touch here, that's a buy. We get a touch here, that's a buy. So you can see there's plenty, and we just had a touch here, that's a buy. So yeah, let me know what you think. Try it out, add it to your indicator list, and let me know how it works for you. Right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.